Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Snappa for quick branding graphics, easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to the Snappa website. On the homepage, locate the sign up button, usually found in the top right corner. Click on the sign up button to initiate the registration process. You will be prompted to enter your email address in a designated field. After entering your email, create a secure password that you will remember. Review the terms of service and privacy policy, and check the box to agree. Once everything is filled out, click on the Create Account button. Next, check your email inbox for a verification email from Snappa. Open the verification email and click on the provided link to confirm your account. Once confirmed, return to the Snappa website to log in using your email and password. After logging in, you will be greeted by the dashboard. Take a moment to explore the interface to get familiar with its features. To start creating, select Create a Graphic from the dashboard. Choose the type of graphic you want to design, such as social media posts or blog banners. Once you select a graphic type, browse through the available templates. Pick a template that best fits your branding needs. Modify the text, colors, and images within the template as needed. You can upload your own images or select from Snappa's vast library. After customizing your graphic, click the Download button to save your work. Choose your preferred file format to download your graphic. Congratulations, you have successfully registered with Snappa and created your first branding graphic. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.